Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you want buyers to automatically get course access after a purchase? I mean, it's totally doable if you are selling courses with Teach. We have this basically platform, it's called Teachable. You can automate enrollment when someone buys from Gumroad. So in today's small tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to integrate Gumroad with Teachable using Zapier. You can also try Make if you want to, it's totally fine. So right now we want to access our Gumroad account. All we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet, open gumroad.com, then come here. So basically, the page is gonna look like this. You have to log in using your email address and password, then tap on dashboard. After this, we will jump to Zapier all the way, select Gumroad here, then search for the parent app. Okay, Teachable. Okay, that's it. This is the new logo of it. It's kinda cool. Then we have to choose our trigger. It's basically a new sale. Also make sure you connect Gumroad using your API key as well. As for the action or the action app, it's Teachable. Let's say enroll user in course, so it will do it automatically. You can also integrate for free or start with Google for free, depends on you. Then select the course you want buyers to access, map the buyer's email address and even name. Then you can test the app. Then hit publish when it's fully done. Now buyers are automatically enrolled in your own course after the purchase. It's pretty simple and that's it. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.